What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I am Maz and I hope you're having a splendid day. In today's video we will be installing or mounting my new wheels, which are the RSR R901s on the 2018 Mustang GT. You might wonder, why is this guy posting a video installing new wheels? Well, that's not all I will be doing. I will also be doing a thorough cleaning of the wheel wells after driving the car during the winter, so we will have it prepped and ready for spring, and also we will see if we can ceramic coat the brake calipers. So I have been running the OEM Performance Pack 1 wheels mounted. I have Nokia Hakkapeliitta R2 255, what is it? 255 40 section tires, so 19 inches then. This is a lot of rubber, and these are very soft, so it will be a really nice swap for me, because on these wheels and these tires it feels a bit wobbly. So it's going to be nice to have a nice fresh of rubber and some awesome looking wheels. With that said, let's get on with the video. So as you saw, the wheel was a bit stuck to the hub, and this is what the hub looks like after driving one winter. Very rusty, as you can see. Let's continue with the rest of the wheels, and we get, oh my god, I don't know if you can see how it looks here. Really dirty. Well, let's get on with the other wheels. I'm not sure if this comes through in the video, but it's really dirty in here. Let me see if I can zoom in. So we'll try to remove some of it at least. And my rotors, after being at the dealer sitting outside for 5 weeks, they rusted, and I haven't been able to remove all of it. I've been driving with a handbrake in and so on, tried to remove as much as possible, but it has not been possible. So I have actually filed a claim to get these replaced, but let's see how that goes. The next step is then to go over the whole area here with a pre-wash. I might rinse it off first, then a pre-wash, then we will see if we can go over it with some sort of degrease. Alright, I will start off with rinsing with just water. I have turned down the pressure on my pressure washer, so don't worry about that, so it's not going on full effect. So we will rinse it off, and then we will go over it with the pre-wash. I'm not sure if this comes through, but it is a big difference, and these areas are usually difficult to clean when the wheels are on. So this was good, and I don't think you can see it. It's a hell of a lot of dirt on the floor now. Let's continue with the other wheels. Now we have gone over all 4 corners with just water, and we have got most of the loose gravel etc. off, I hope. The next step is to go over it with at least 1 round of pre-wash, and then potentially then the degreaser, and then we will move on with brushes etc. So let's do that. thought as well go over some of the areas now that I have the pre-wash on with a semi soft brush to get into some of the areas while we have some foam left, and then we will rinse it and then go over it with some degreaser or all-purpose cleaner, and then we rinse it off again, and so on and so on. The wheel wells have now been rinsed, pre-washed, brushed and rinsed thoroughly, and now it's time to apply some all-purpose cleaner. I will use G-Technic. So this is the first time I'm using this. I want to be a bit gentle or careful. I don't want to use my heavy-duty degreasers on this. I'm not sure how some of the, if there are bushings, etc., will cope with that, so we will try with a bit less aggressive all-purpose cleaner then. We will now let the all-purpose cleaner sit for a couple of minutes or 3, and then I will agitate it with a brush to remove some more, and then we will rinse it. Before we continue with the front calipers, I will go over them with Iron X, and then we will go over it one last time with a chemical substance, which is the eraser, to ensure that we don't have any fats and oils left, and then we will give it a go with the deluxe ceramic coating on the front calipers. I will now go over the calipers with the eraser. I will actually spray it on top of the microfiber cloth instead of directly onto the caliper, because I don't want this stuff all over the place. So I will just spray it on the microfiber cloth, and then we will we will buff anything off which potentially can be any oil, etc. residue left on the calipers. Now the calipers have been buffed off with the eraser. The next step is to apply the deluxe ceramic coating. I will just do this area in front here, because the back, I mean, it doesn't make any sense. I won't be able to reach out back there and clean it anyway in the future, but here on the front I will be able to get access with a small brush, etc. So we will do the front side at least, and that's, from a visual perspective, that's what you see as well. So we will do that, and the application, it's this similar with the microfiber cloth, and the ceramic coating will be then dripped onto the surface, and then we will apply it to the caliper. I almost forgot protection. Nothing scientific with this. I'm not sure how good the deluxe will withstand the heat that will be applied on the calipers, but we'll give it a try and we will see how it goes. The next step is now then quickly to buff any excess off, and then we'll continue with the other side. The last step is then to apply a layer of reload to protect the ceramic coating. I will spray it directly on top of my microfiber cloth because I don't want to squirt it all over the place. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the final, or almost the final step, but at least we will mount the wheels onto the car for the first time. I'm super excited. I'm super excited, super excited. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. The wheels are on and we are all good to go. I hope you learned something from it, and also, as usual, if you have any comments, just leave them in the comment section below, and also let me know if I'm doing something wrong or if I should do something differently, or maybe you do it in some other way. Give me 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs down. Until the next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.